I want to do a delta math question that's a little bit more complicated than the ones I've done using boxes and circles for inequalities. So let me, excuse me, jump into this. First thing you do, just like in before, is you get rid of the parentheses. So this is going to be a negative 3 times 10, so it's going to be a negative 30t. Then it's going to be a negative 3 times a plus 5, so that's going to be a negative 15. And then we just write the rest of the equation or the inequality underneath. Now what I'm going to do, since I need more room, I'm just going to copy this, move it over. And now I'm going to box it up. So I'm going to put one big box, one big circle, draw my inequality line, and then I'm going to have one box, and then I'm going to have one circle. So in here is going to be a negative 2t minus 30t, and this is going to be minus 15. This is going to be 3t minus 6t. This is going to be a negative 9. We can simplify the stuff in the boxes. So a negative 2t minus 30t is going to be a negative 32t. And 3t minus 6t is going to be a negative 3t. So I just simplified that. So now I'm going to move the boxes with the boxes, the circles with the circles. So I'm going to take this box and I'm going to bring it across. And that's going to be a plus 3t. Remember, if you cross the line, change the sign. And then I'm going to take this a negative 15, move it across, cross the line, change the sign. So this becomes a positive 15. So now a negative 32t plus 3t is going to be a negative 29t. Put that in a box. And then I got a negative 9 plus 15. That's going to be a positive 6. I'm going to put that in a circle. Let's see if I could get the circle. All right. Last step. Whenever you get boxes and circles on the opposite sides of the line, last step is always to divide by whatever's in the box. So I'm dividing both sides by a negative 29. And because I'm dividing by a negative, that means my inequality has this flip. It was greater than or equal to, so now it's going to be less than or equal to. And then it's just going to be a negative 6 over 29. I can't simplify that anymore, so that would be my answer. And that's what you have to do. All right? Make sure the boxes go to the left. Make sure if the last step, if you're dividing by a negative number, you have to switch the inequality. Other than that, boxes and circles works exactly the same.